President wa kiama kia mubira wa maguru bururi-ini FKF Nick Mwendwa o ringi ni acoketie giikaro-ini kinene kia DCI kũhũngwo mahũri thutha wake kunyitwo miaraho ya muthenya wa Jumaa akigiritanio na ungumania wa ciringi milioni 550. Ni thitango mawakiri yake Eric Mutua na Mutula Kilonzo Jr. manyororetie makiuga itire na muthingi kuona nginyagia riu maabitha a DCI matire na ihetia riria matuite nirio mekumuthitanga nario.
They are relying on a report, which report he has been shown today in the morning, kind of an audit report. The report talks about the 500 million, but when you interrogate the report further, it also confirms that the amount released to them by the government is 300 million. So you cannot have an allegation that 500 million has been misappropriated, yet what is received is 300. So it's a fictitious figure.
Mathiete na mbere kuga ati urori wa mathabu ma FKF ni wikitwo na gutire na mbeca cionekete ciurite makiuga ni mehariirie kuhuranira kihoto kia Mwendwa igoti-ini kiwatho.
FKF has been audited. FKF's funds to date is 383 million. The cabinet secretary said in parliament before a committee that they have given FKF 430. So we don't even know where the 585 comes from.
That now, we have not been told that he's going to be charged. They are still conducting investigations.
Murugamo oni ati bara ici Mwendwa arahurwo no cia uteti tu amukorwo ni makuri na ungumania wikitwo FKF ndafati gukorwo no we wiki urakuwa mutharafa.
As far as I'm concerned, this is politics. Politics couched in legal terms. And we will handle it together with my senior and others who will be in court, both legally and politically. You cannot use politics to brand people so that you get them out of office.
Goko Mwendwa agithie na mbere kuhingirwo thero ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gigiri etereire gukinya igoti-ini muthenya wa Jumatatu. Kilonzo Jr. augite macungiriro ma uhoro uyu maya gukorwo ari Kenya kugathikirwo mukana ni kiama kia FIFA amu makinya maya minister wa mathako Amina Mohamed atacukitie ni mugaru na watho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV retu dekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.